Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fun, fast Tinkercad tutorial. So let's get cracking. Friends, today is going to be a designer shout out and a little bit of SimLab fun. This is ZDP189. He has got so many epic projects. Today we're going to play with the Willys Jeep Simplified. Friends, it is set to copy and tinker, but don't forget the golden rule of Tinkercad. Give a reaction before you copy and tinker. Now, friends, this design is 3D printable. I printed it. I'll have that video up above. It is a total blast. I, though, am going to play with this Jeep over here instead. Now I'm going to grab all of it, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees, which is more fun for what we're going to play with. Now, I want to hide these tires. Simply, I'm going to hit the hide button, and the hide button, and the hide button. And we're going to make this work in SimLab. Now, the rest of this, I want to be one piece, so I'm going to select it all and do Control-G to group. Notice it does take a while because it is a little bit complex. I do want to highlight that ZDP has awesome notes in here. They will help you understand what it is based off and how it was created. I am going to get rid of this part for what I want to do right now just because it's going to be more fun in the long run. So if we bring back Show All and click on our tires, I want to move them a little bit away from the vehicle. So I'm going to click on them and I'm going to move them one click away. I'm going to do that same thing on this side. Once again, grab the two wheels, move them one nudge away. Now we're going to do SimLab axles for this. Check it out. It is so cool. We can go into SimLab. Notice the vehicle is becoming finalized. This is complex geometry. These are actually pretty complex too, but we're going to add axles to them. I'm going to set this right out on the wheel, and then I want to align it with the wheel. So as I select those two shapes, I'm going to look at it from this side. You can see that that wasn't in the center. If I do L for align, we've now got it set to middle and middle. And then I'm going to link this to the wheel. Notice the blue outline around the wheel. And then I'm also going to link it to the car. Now this time I got the blue as well. Now I'm going to stay with the blue there. And I'm going to put the orange here. So now those are both connected. Now we can just repeat those steps for all four wheels. I do want to say once again, it makes no difference if the orange one goes to the tire or the body of the car. They just all need to be connected. Friends, now that we got the awesome wheels connected, let's actually build a ramp. To do that, we need to back out and let's bring out the wedge. When you set the wedge down, we'll stretch it a little bit wider. That way we've got room for it. Let's also make our world larger so we have more room for this to drive. If we click settings, we can backspace. And I'm going to make this 500 by 500 in each direction. Now we can simply pick it up. Make sure you grab all the pieces. Do C for cruising. Grab the dot and set it on the car. Notice it flipped the other direction. We can solve that by simply using the mirror tool. Friends, there is ramp number one for our car. Let's take it back to SimLab. And friends, once you are in SimLab, you can hit play and watch your vehicle go. Of course, you can pause, you can back it up, change the angle. You can have all sorts of fun creating cool video of your new moving ride. Since it's a SimLab project, you can also click up on share. And you can output it as a video. You can pick whichever format you want. You can do low quality. You can do high quality. By simply clicking create video, you could also save images. Of course, friends, I hope you have a ton of fun with this. I'm going to go back to the main screen. So, friends, I hope you had a ton of fun with that. You can probably do this with a lot of cars that you can copy and tinker. I do want you to understand that ZDP has a certain level of skill that does make it a little bit easier to work with. If you're looking for a shortcut to find ZDP's awesome projects, you can find it using the HLMT23 search tag. But friends, not too far down, you will find the sweet Willys Jeep Simplified. What a fun project to 3D print or play with in SimLab. Have a glorious day, everybody, and keep tinkering. Friends, as I wrap up, I do want to take a moment to remind you about my website, HLModTech.com. Of course, I've got a page dedicated to Tinkercad. We have tons of amazing categories, and then down below, there are day one favorites, the useful starters, and the Tinkercad essentials. Of course, friends, in the corner, you will find the sweet built-in message tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. I do also want to make note of the link to the Tinkercad community Discord. As you can see, there are a boatload of members, and it's a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.